Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of Burl Wood crafts design ideas by transforming nature's knots into luxury home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Burl Wood, with its mesmerizing swirls, knots, and unpredictable grain patterns, has long been considered one of nature's most enchanting gifts to woodworking. And transforming it into functional and decorative masterpieces for modern homes is not only about skill, but also about vision. When you first encounter a piece of burl, what you see might appear chaotic. Its unusual twists and curves defy the smooth consistency of traditional lumber. But hidden within this raw form lies the opportunity to craft treasures that embody both artistic freedom and natural elegance. Unlike ordinary planks of wood, burl is a phenomenon born of stress, growth irregularities, and unique environmental conditions, which means that every cut reveals an entirely new landscape of texture, color, and movement that can never be replicated. For today's homeowners, who seek authenticity and character in their living spaces, Burl Wood offers something extraordinary, a material that reflects nature's imperfections in ways that resonate deeply with modern values of individuality, sustainability, and craftsmanship. The process of turning Burl Wood into statement pieces begins with imagination. Because the material itself resists conformity, it cannot be forced into generic designs, but instead invites the artisan to work with its organic form, allowing the natural grain to dictate the shape and story of the finished piece. A burl coffee table, for example, does not merely function as a surface to hold mugs or books. It becomes the heart of a room, a conversation starter, and a piece of living art that grounds the space in nature's beauty. In a world where mass-produced furniture dominates the market, such uniqueness feels rare and luxurious, and it is this rarity that gives Burl Wood its timeless appeal. For interior designers and decor enthusiasts, Burl Wood is synonymous with authenticity because no two pieces are ever alike. Imagine the emotional connection of owning a side table or wall art that exists nowhere else in the world, crafted from a material that nature spent decades shaping in secret. That uniqueness is what transforms a simple decor item into an heirloom, something that can be cherished and passed on across generations. When incorporated into modern homes, Burl Wood has the power to balance sleek contemporary lines with organic irregularity, creating a harmony between minimalism and natural abundance. A clean, modern living room filled with glass, steel, and neutral tones suddenly feels warmer and more inviting when anchored by a Burl Wood centerpiece, because it introduces depth, history, and a tactile quality that synthetic materials can never replicate. Even small accents, like a burl lamp base, bowl, or picture frame, infuse character into a space and prove that beauty lies in embracing imperfection. This is part of the reason why Burl Wood has become so desirable in both luxury design markets and eco-conscious households. It is a celebration of the raw and the refined, the imperfect and the elegant, coexisting in a single form. The act of crafting with Burl Wood is itself a meditation in creativity and patience. Unlike uniform boards that can be measured, cut, and assembled with precision, burl requires a willingness to adapt, to let the wood's unpredictable patterns guide the outcome. In doing so, the craftsman learns to see beyond function and embrace artistry, treating each piece as a collaboration between human hands and natural design. For modern homeowners, this philosophy translates into decor that not only serves a purpose, but also tells a story. A Burl Wood dining table, for instance, isn't simply about providing a place to gather. It's about creating an experience where every meal is enriched by the textures and patterns that symbolize resilience and transformation. This emotional depth is what elevates Burl Wood furniture and decor into the realm of statement art. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, the sustainability factor adds another layer of significance to Burl Wood in contemporary design. As consumers increasingly move away from disposable, factory-produced furnishings, there is growing demand for pieces that embody eco-conscious values. Burl, often sourced from fallen or reclaimed trees, represents the idea of giving new life to something overlooked or discarded, which resonates with a generation of buyers who want their purchases to reflect both beauty and responsibility. The market for such handcrafted, sustainable pieces is expanding rapidly, with homeowners and collectors willing to invest in unique designs that align with their values. This creates exciting opportunities for artisans, DIY enthusiasts, and small business entrepreneurs who want to transform Burl into income-generating art while also contributing to a more conscious approach to design. By highlighting the natural beauty of Burl Wood and pairing it with functional design, creators can tap into a powerful niche where passion, artistry, and sustainability intersect. What makes Burl Wood especially significant is its versatility. Its intricate patterns can be polished into sleek, high-gloss finishes for luxury interiors or left raw and organic for rustic and bohemian aesthetics. This adaptability means Burl Wood can complement a wide range of design styles, from modern minimalist homes craving a bold accent piece to traditional spaces that thrive on warmth and texture. A polished Burl slab table may find its place in a penthouse overlooking the city's skyline, while a raw Burl bench or outdoor accent could feel equally at home in a countryside retreat. This universality ensures that Burl Wood pieces will never feel outdated. They transcend fleeting decor trends and instead embody timeless artistry. At its core, the transformation of Burl Wood into modern home decor is about more than woodworking. It is about storytelling. Each knot, ripple, and curve in Burl Wood represents years of growth, weathering, and survival, and when shaped into furniture or art, these stories become part of the homes they inhabit. Buyers are not just purchasing decor, they're investing in history, in the dialogue between nature and craftsmanship. Ultimately, the significance of Burl Wood lies in its ability to transform imagination into tangible beauty that can be touched, used, and cherished. It bridges the gap between natural imperfection and refined design, offering modern homeowners treasures that embody warmth, sustainability, and authenticity. As we continue to move toward more conscious living, where every purchase is a reflection of both style and values, Burl Wood will remain at the forefront of design trends, not because it conforms, but because it dares to stand apart. Its natural artistry reminds us that true beauty often lies in what is overlooked, and when we choose to bring it into our homes, we are choosing decor that not only elevates spaces, but also elevates the way we connect with the world around us. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked Burl Wood crafts design ideas by transforming nature's knots into luxury home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.